Today, MTD CNC have travelled to this beautiful venue for the Hoffmann Training Day, and we're going to go inside to meet some of their partners. Pete, what an absolutely beautiful venue for your training days. Now, can you tell our audience what they entail?
Yeah, of course, Gio. So we're here, we're giving a new awareness about some of the supplier relationships that we're developing for Hoffmann here in the UK. So we've got some of the major brands that we work with globally. As a global company, we have international deals in place with the likes of Milwaukee, and Karcher. But we've also got some local suppliers that are going to give us reactive services and local stocks of PPE products, and we're also here training today with talking about the new innovations that Hoffmann have got in terms of connective manufacturing, so we're delivering some workshops on that, and also we've got a range of other topics we're going to be talking about how we in the current market pivot towards new markets with new products.
So the subjects we're talking about what business opportunities are going forward for us, and also a strategy for us to work and get more market share in the UK. I think things have changed, so we need to adapt ourselves differently to the way the world has changed, and using new tools available to us and utilising them. So either a LinkedIn, using the phone, which are the old methods, a lot of cold calling. And as I say, in the sales game, it's a numbers game. So, we need to utilise our time and our effort to get new business in and grow.
So we've been here with Milwaukee Tools. We've been giving a good rundown of what Milwaukee has to offer, the different range of tools that we have, the different platforms, and really what we can do at the job site with Hoffmann. So Hoffmann are a huge customer of Milwaukee's in Europe, and hopefully it's quite new in the UK at the moment. We're hoping to grow that. Yeah, Hoffmann have been great to deal with. Today's been amazing, everyone's been really friendly, and hopefully we've made some good contacts today that are going to help us in the future.
I think with any business, training is important. We need to develop our skills and make us far more efficient in them different areas of business, and be more knowledgeable about our products to be able to assist customers with their needs.